When documents are used internationally, simple signatures are not enough. To make documents legally valid across borders, three key processes are used: notarization, apostille, and consularization. Let's understand each one and how they differ from each other. What is notarization? Notarization is the first level of document authentication. It is performed by a notary public who verifies the identity of the signer and confirms that the document was signed willingly. Notarization does not make a document internationally valid, but it acts as the foundation for further verification. What is apostille? Apostille is a higher level of authentication used for countries that are members of the Hague Apostille Convention. After notarization, the document is apostilled by a government authority. Once apostilled, the document is legally accepted in all Hague Convention countries without further verification. What is consularization? Consularization is required when a country does not accept apostille. In this process, the document goes through notarization, government authentication, and finally verification by the embassy or consulate of the destination country. Consularization ensures legal acceptance in non-Hague Convention countries. Key differences between all three: notarization verifies the signature and identity of the signer. Apostille verifies the document for Hague Convention countries. Consularization verifies the document for non-Hague Convention countries. Notarization is usually the first step. Apostille or consularization comes after notarization, depending on the destination country. Apostille involves fewer steps, while consularization involves multiple authorities and embassy approval. Which process do you need? If your document is for local or domestic use, notarization may be sufficient. If your document is for a Hague Convention country, apostille is required. If your document is for a non-Hague Convention country, consularization is necessary. Conclusion. In summary, notarization builds trust, apostille enables global acceptance, and consularization ensures embassy-level validation. Understanding the difference between these three processes helps you avoid delays, rejections, and legal issues in international documentation. Thank you.